Residencia, an exclusive private condominium nestled within the scenic Quinta do Lago resort. Set on nearly 10,000 square meters of beautifully landscaped gardens. This retreat offers privacy, natural beauty, and elegance, all within walking distance to the beach and the Ria Formosa Nature Reserve. Residencia is comprised of 12 stunning Portuguese-style semi-detached villas arranged around a heated communal pool and perfectly maintained gardens, creating a serene, community-focused environment. Hello, I'm Sandra from Mapro Real. Let me show you around. Step inside the recently renovated property where the entrance hall impresses with its double-height vaulted ceiling, setting a sophisticated tone for the home. The fully fitted kitchen, complete with a cozy breakfast area, connects seamlessly to a spacious lounge and dining area. The dining space opens to a private terrace with a barbecue area that extends to the communal pool, perfect for both relaxation and entertainment. On the first floor, you'll find a luxurious guest suite with its own terrace, as well as a main suite, which features a large terrace, dressing area, and a beautifully designed bathroom. The light-filled lower ground floor includes an additional guest suite overlooking the pool, a well-equipped laundry room with a screened drying area, a double garage, and ample storage space. Whether you're looking for a permanent residence or a tranquil holiday retreat, this property perfectly combines comfort, elegance, and convenience. Let us welcome you to your new home. Check out our website, reference 422, or contact us directly. Thank you for watching.